We're back, folks, with a 2013 Cadillac SRX. This is a premium package. She's one owner with a perfect Carfax, and all the dealer service is logged onto the free Carfax. Highly optioned car with the trailer tow package, rear DVDs, panoramic roof, navigation, backup cam, lane descent, laser guided cruise, heated seats, cooled seats, second row heated seats, heated steering wheel, 20-inch chromes. This car's got it all, folks. Guaranteed credit approval, full effect, $995 starting down. It's a one-owner 2013 all-wheel drive SRX premium pack, and she's highly optioned, folks. Guaranteed credit approval, the one you want, the price you want, and at the spot you're at. DasCleveland.com. See you soon.